I'll be showing you the top gamification plugins you can install on your Shopify store. These apps are going to make a more exciting experience for the customer when shopping, helping to encourage things such as email signups, sharing of discount codes, and more. For each of these apps, I'll be going over their features, their pricing, and their reviews, so you can have a good idea of which app you want to install on your store. If you enjoyed this video along the way, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. So let's dive right into it here. The first one's going to be Wheelify, a discount spin wheel. It's an email pop-up game. It's going to make it super easy to collect email addresses. So according to their analytics, you can see up to 6 times more subscribers and up to 3 times more sales. It's going to make it super easy for you to create these campaigns. You can see certain ones here such as homepage campaigns, product page campaigns, cart page, thank you pages, all of which are designed to help give the customer a discount code and feel like they've won something. You get a lot of customization in terms of the theme and how you want to style it to match your Shopify store. As you can see here, the customer is going to enter in their email or their name if you want to do that, and they can try their luck. And they're going to get a customized coupon code. After that, there's going to be an urgency bar. They use that coupon code quickly and purchase at that time. In terms of pricing, there's a 30-day free trial, and there is a completely free plan with up to 300 wheel impressions, multiple campaigns, A/B testing, smart triggers, conversion boosters, essentially all their features here. And you'll be paying based on the number of impressions that this is going to show for your customers. You can see at $28 a month, it's going to be 50,000 wheel impressions. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 647 5-star reviews. Next, let's take a look at an app called Increase Engagement. So you can use games to increase your conversions for lead generation, retention, product launches, quizzes, and more. It's going to include 15 plus exclusive customized games here like Candy Crush or slot machines or Fruit Ninja. And as you can see here, there's quite a few different ones such as trivia, word search, tic-tac-toe, spin the wheel. You can have different entry points depending on where the customer is in their customer journey. And for these games too, you can replace the images. You can use your own products as well, which I think is a cool feature. They're also going to give you end-to-end analytics so you can see how profitable these campaigns are. They're going to have 20 plus integrations with tools such as Klaviyo, OmniSend, Mailmodo, and more. In terms of pricing, it's going to have a free 14-day trial. It's going to be a little more on the expensive end in comparison to the previous app, but it's going to start at $99 a month for 100,000 impressions. And you get a few more features with more impressions as you go up in price, all the way up to $7.99 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 8 5-star reviews. I want to take a quick moment to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator that's available on the Shopify App Store, giving you real-time analytics on how profitable your store actually is. It's going to give you a detailed cost breakdown, syncing seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and cost of goods sold to get a very accurate picture on how much things are costing you and how much money you're really making. So extremely important for any store to really know their financials and their analytics. There's a link in the description for the Shopify app listing, or if you search Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store and look for this logo in the top left, both of which get you access to a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. Let's take a look at our third app. This one's Games and Quizzes. So you can easily create quiz games, advent calendars, spin the wheel, and more. You can publish them as iframes or as a pop-up, giving you some customization there. They have over 100 plus templates. So quite a few different games here. We can see the jump game, drop game, pinball game, matching game, memory game, Wheel of Fortune, crack the egg, advent calendar. You can set these to pop up at different times too, from the exit to pop-ups on the page. It's going to give you even more with A/B testing, multilingual, email list growth, and conversion report. So quite a few features there, quite a few games available. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $49 a month, going all the way up to $4.99 a month. In terms of reviews, it has a perfect 5 stars with 2 5-star reviews. Lastly, let's take a look at Claw Crane. It's a game and email pop-up, creating an engaging Claw Crane game, exciting customers to help grow your email list. So as you can see from the picture here, customer is going to drop this crane down to get a prize, which is probably going to be a discount to shop at your store. So you need a customization on how to create the crane appearance, and it's going to have wide language support and a subtle, effective call to action. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $5 a month for 1,000 impressions and go all the way up to $29 a month for 1 million impressions a month. And it does come with a 3-day free trial. In terms of reviews, it has a perfect 5 stars with 21 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top gamification plugins for your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments which one you're planning to use, if any at all, or if I missed any that should have been included. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment as well. I want to mention Profit Calc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. There's a link in the description to access the Shopify app listing, or if you search a Profit Calc in the App Store and look for this logo in the top left, you can find it there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.